Did you know that in 2022 alone, nearly 35% of Australian businesses were victims of intellectual property rights infringement? While over 55% had to modify their practices to comply with Australia's design and intellectual property laws. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with my faculty director, I would like to invite you to our certified Australia Design Laws, Trademark Essentials, and Intellectual Property Rights program. To kick off our course, we'll deep dive into the intricacies of Australia's intellectual property legal framework, where we'll cover detailed interpretations of the latest design and intellectual property laws. Next, we'll develop an in-depth understanding of the documentation and process required to secure intellectual property rights for your product designs and comply with all necessary regulatory requirements. You'll also master the skills of licensing intellectual property, negotiating agreements, setting royalties and rates, and navigating the process of monetizing intellectual property assets. Everything you need is explained in detail as you progress through the course and move from the basics to the more advanced sections in this certified program. You'll even gain insights into effective techniques and methods for addressing intellectual property disputes and develop an efficient dispute resolution approach. By the end of the program, you'll attain the certification in Australia Design and Intellectual Property Laws. As a certified professional, it'll demonstrate your expertise to implement effective IP strategies, handle potential infringement issues, and elevate the standard of protection for your creative assets. What's more, this industry-recognized certification holds lifelong validity and will boost your professional credentials. So, what are you waiting for? You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain by enrolling in our certified course today. It's time to take action.